Welcome to this morning spring flow. I'm Mary and together we will explore some movements to loosen up in the morning. First we take a moment to settle in, and I invite you to close your eyes for a moment if that's convenient for you, or otherwise take a soft gaze over your nose on a point a few meters before you on the floor. And take a few moments to observe your breath and where you can feel your breath in your body. Also observe how you feel today. What did you bring today? And can you look at it without judgment? Just as an observer. And then slowly open your eyes. Bring the hands for the heart. Point your fingers down, back of the hands together. Roll them through. Inhale, arms up and overhead. Elongate the spine, greet the sun, and hands to heart. Then we bring our hands to our knees and we start to make some circles. On the inhale we come forward, we turn to the right. And on an exhale, throw your navel in and up and round your spine. And do this a few more times. And then we turn direction. And make it slow and mindful movements. Then we come to stillness. Stop when you meet the center and align your body in the center. We place our right hand onto the floor. Stretch out our left arm, elongate the spine on an inhale, and on an exhale bend to the right. Let your heart face upwards. And explore the movement that's right for you. Inhale, come up and bring your left arm down. Stretch out your right arm on an inhale, elongate the spine and bend to the left. Let your heart face upwards. Back to center and bring your arm down. We do this once more. Inhale, stretch out your left arm and bend to the right. Inhale, come up. Exhale, arm down. Stretch out your right arm on the inhale and elongate the spine. And bend to the left. Let your heart face upwards. Inhale, come back and exhale, arm down. Roll your shoulders up and down your back. And interlace your fingers behind your back. Remember which thumb is on top. Roll your shoulders down and let them melt upon your back. We bring our arms up and stretch them out. Elongate the spine and on an exhale, we bend forward. We unravel our hands, bring them down onto the floor and walk your hands forward as much as you can without forcing anything. Then we start to walk our hands to the right
So our nose is over the right knee. And let gravity do its work. Press your fingers into the floor, bring yourself up and walk to your left knee. Nose is pointing over your left knee. Place your hands flat on the floor and soften your body and let it sink over your left leg. And keep on breathing. And try to make your breath long and slow. And press yourself up your fingers, your body a little bit upwards, and come to center the yoga mat and walk your hands back. Bring your feet together, bring the soles of the feet together. Hold your toes and we are in cobbler's pose and make some little bouncing movements with our knees in the direction of the floor. We open up our hips. Your shoulders are rolled down onto your back. And then we stop the movement and we grab both our big toes. And we start to stretch out one leg and then the other. And if it's okay for you, you can find a balance on your sit bones and stretch out one leg and the other. One leg and the other. And if it's possible, you can stretch out both legs. Bring your feet together in cobbler's pose. Grab both toes. Grab the toes of both feet and make some bouncing movements again. And we stop the movement and we come cross-legged, but now the other leg is on top. We interlace fingers with the other thumb on top. We roll the shoulders down onto the back and we stretch out our arms backwards and slightly upwards. And bring your arms back again. Elongate the spine and bend forward. Unravel your hands and place your hands before you and walk your hands forward. When you reach your edge, try to soften your body in the direction of the floor. We place our fingers into the floor and we walk our hands to the left. And when our nose is pointing over the left knee, we melt our body over our leg. And observe your breath. Try to make your breath slow. Then press yourselves up onto your fingers and walk to the center, your hands to the center and to your right leg. When your nose is pointing over your right knee, you place your hands full to the floor and soften your body over your legs. And take some time to do this because your muscles and fascia need time to soften and to let go of resistance. And press yourselves up again onto your fingertips and slowly walk your hands to center and back. Well, I hope you leave this session today a bit more energized, a bit more loose, and I hope to see you next time. Again, it would be lovely if you would like to subscribe to my channel and visit my website on gillavry.net. Thank you for being here. Namaste.